Oh, Lagidirappa. So today I'm taking the topic related to, I think you see the thumbnail, you will get to know what is the topic. So what are the mistakes you're doing in the ICSE 10th computer applications? So from so many years you're teaching ICSE 10th, right? ನಾನು ತುಂಬ ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಆ ಅನುಭವದ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನೇನು ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ಗಳಾಗುತ್ತೆ, what are the mistakes you people have to do. Okay. And board also they release the pupil analysis, the student analysis 2025 ಯಾವ ತರ ಪೇಪರ್ ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ರಾಜ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟೆಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತ. Then that I will going to share. I think you can see that. Yeah, one second, one second. Yeah. So now see ICSE board only they are released analysis of pupil performance October 2025. Last year paper ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, is copyright to the CSC Delhi. It's a part of the computer applications. How many? 1,43,269 students they are written, and boys 17,000. Girls 63,000. Maximum marks 100, and the least marks is 3, and average marks is 83. Right? That is here. And performance by the Goa 91%, New Delhi 91 point, top 5 performing states. Other 5 states ತೆಗೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Performance state wise, there is our the Karnataka here 85.0. Okay. See, what are the questions in the MCQ questions, right? He has given MCQ questions. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂ ಸಿ ಕ್ಯೂಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡೋ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ಡ್. ಅನದರ್ ಒನ್, what are the common mistakes? One second. If you people see the screen. Tip for the student, what are the common mistakes? Common ಅಲ್ಲ, 5 major mistakes ಎರಡು. Syntax and case sensitivity error. Syntax, as we know, Java is a case sensitive. Capital letter and small letter having a different meaning and different ASCII value, right? So you, instead of in the system, if you instead of small s, sorry, capital S, if you return small s, that is also wrong. Syntax error. And missing the semicolons, where in the ending the statement, don't use the semicolon in the if loops ಕೊಡಲ್ಲಿ. In the do while you have to use the for loop, while loop you are not supposed to use. If else if ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹೋಯ್ತು. ಎಲ್ಲಿ if you want to end the statement, then you can use the semicolon, that is a punctuator, right? Next, mismatch bracket. So if you are writing the methods, you have to use the parenthesis. If you are writing the loops, writing the statement, what is that conditional statement, then you have to use the flower bracket. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ 100 out of 100 ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ. And don't forget to write the comments. You write on the comments. And the second one is variable description. And the second, assertion. Now the from after the corona, assertion and reason questions. Assertion reasons questions ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಜಾರಿಟಿ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಲೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಆನ್ಸರ್, ಒಂದು ಅಸರ್ಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ರೀಸನ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ರೀಸನಬಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ರೀಸನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ಅಸರ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಸರ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರೂ ಅಂಡ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರೂ. ರೀಸನ್ ಈಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಸರ್ಷನ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್, assertion true, both are true, reason is not correct option. And C, the last assertion true, reason false. D, both are false. You can assertion reason questions kodal matra 2 to 3 times you can check, you can rethink, analyze, and then you can go. Okay, especially the assertion and reasons questions ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ ತರ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ರೀಸನ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೇನಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, object creation mistakes. Students forget to create the object before calling non-static. Yeah, So there you have to write the what is the class name you have taken, the same class name in the published static void main. You can create the new object in the method related program. And as we know, what is the syntax for creating the object? Class name followed by the object name, new class name. Don't forget to write it. I will know student and capital letter. Here also you can use the capital letter only. Class name I'm telling. Okay, then after that you can display. Next, loop and condition. Yes, infinite loops you do to wrong condition. Instead of double equals, if you are use single equals. ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಡಬಲ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಈಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಡಬಲ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್. ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಪರೇಟರ್, ಡಬಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ರಿಲೇಷನಲ್ ಆಪರೇಟರ್. ರಾಂಗ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಕ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಫಾರ್ ಲೂಪ್. ಏನ ಐ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು I+2 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೌ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ I+2 is equal to 0. You write on the, instead of I is equal to I+2, you write I+2, wrong case. Correcta? Next, fifth one is output formal not matching the questions. ICSE board is strict option output format, missing spaces, wrong headings, extra lines, not following the sample format. ಏನಂದ್ರೆ main ಆಗಿ you have to adjust the syntax. Syntax means a set of rules that we have to follow. Right? Output ಬೇಕು and the question related to the ಎಲ್ಲ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡು. ಈ ತರ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ಗಳದ್ದು ಅಸರ್ಷನ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ದಟ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಅನಾಲಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಚೆಕ್, ಥಿಂಕ್ ಟ್ವೈಸ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ he has given one loop and he has given the two output statement. Which statement is going to take for the loop? Only this one. At the end, after the loop ಎಲ್ಲ ರನ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅವನೇನ ಇದು ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ರನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನೇನಕ್ಕೆ ಅವನು ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೆ ರನ್ ಆಗಂಟಾನು ಇದೇ ರನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಆಪ್ಷನ್? 4 ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದನ್ 0, p-2 4 ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 0 ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್? 4 2 ಇಲ್ಲೇನ್ ಬಂತು? 4 2 ಬಂತು. 4 2 ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ p-2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0 ಆಯ್ತು. 0 0 4 2 0 0 ಇದೊಂದು ಚೂರು 4 2 ರಾಂಗ್ ಬರ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇದು ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಡೆದ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟೆಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ p will become 0. 4 2 0 0. System out that print ln. Okay, this type of questions, and you see the what is the he has given, what are the mistakes they have done. Most of the candidates choose the correct option, Java data. Okay, and if you get confused with the implicit type casting, you got confused with the concept of implicit. And andre implicit has to be done by compiler, explicit has to be done by the user or a developer or a student. And most of the cancer ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಇದರೊಳಗಡೆ ಸಜೆಷನ್ you will give. Suggestion for the teachers also he has given, and suggestion for the students also he has given. And question number 2, that we can based on the method related functions. And method related, what is that? Mathematical functions. And this one related to the string related functions. And he has given rated Java Sirfa of the class. ಏನಿದು? Class name is roboto, object name is Sirfa, which take the 3 double up. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನೇಮ್ robot Sirfa is equal to new robot and 3 double operator, double A, double B, double C. Right? That you can write. Exit control loop, convert the given into exit means do while loop. What is the output of constructor? String method positive, mad dot round method with the character vector. Character vector I alva. Character vector. So this type of question, see, dot centric new robot double A double C Sirfa. Okay, that one anything you can see. Next, a comment for the examiners. And most of the candidates are able to convert Java expression. And here another one I forgot. In the functions kottaga, use the semicolon. He has not given semicolon, but the expression he has given here. Oh, he has not given the expression. Java expression kotta, you have to use the semicolon. Mathematical kotta. And as we know, program baribekadre, you write on the Java program, and particularly attempt any questions, you have to write the variable description. 12 marks for the program and 3 marks for the variable description. Sir, alle kottidare baridilla andre your gone case. And try to write the comments, single line comments. Noted. and choose the correct questions. Whatever the out of 6 questions, you have to attend any 4. Easily you can select array, 2 array, 1 number, 1 method. If you're good in the string, you can go for the string. And don't forget to write the public static void main. The object ಎಲ್ಲ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ sub methods ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರೆದ್ಮೇಲೆ public main method ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ you can create object and you can call the methods. You can call the sub method or you can invoke a method, right? So these are all the ಇನ್ನೇನಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ. And don't forget to write the package also first line. Semicolon ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. At the end you can cross check. And another one thing, important thing I forgot to tell, all the exams you're writing for 80 marks. On the computer application you're writing for 100 marks in 2 hours. Maths ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ 3 hours ಇರುತ್ತೆ 80 marks. ಹಿಂದಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಈ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಗಳಿಗೆಲ್ಲ 80 marks 3 hours ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ 100 marks for 100 marks ಇರುತ್ತೆ 120 minutes. You have to write the program, MCQ, 2 marks question, ಅಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಕಿ ಆಗಿರೋ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ. So 100 marks is also very trickier. To get the out of out means you are a brilliant student, that I can assure. What I studied in the engineering and MTech, you are studying in the 10th only, binary search, selection, that I studied in the engineering college. People are very lucky, are learning now only. Don't do the mistakes. What are the mistakes you have in the classroom or pre-board and all, that is okay. In the board exam, think that, and in the 15 minutes, first 15 minutes, they are given for reading time, right? There only you can think which program I can select, and 1 mark questions, there think, and 2 marks question also. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟರ್ ಮೇಲೆ, ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಮೇಲೆ, ಅರ್ರೇ ಮೇಲೆ, 9th ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಸಿಟ್, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಸಿಟ್, ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕಲ್ ಲೈಬ್ರರಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್, ಲೂಪ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಈ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅವುಗಳು ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಆಸ್ಕಿ ಕೋಡ್ಗಳದೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೆನ್ಪಿಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಟು ಅಂಡ್ ಅದರ್ ಒನ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಈ ಸಲ ಪೇಪರ್ ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ. ಸೊ ನನ್ನ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಜೆಷನ್ಸ್ that will be useful for you people. So I prepared ಈ ಸೆಷನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಐ ಪ್ಲಾನ್. ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಔಟ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಮೇನ್ಲಿ ಅಸರ್ಷನ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡು. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಒಂದೊಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಕಿ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಟೀಚರ್, ನಮಗೂ ವಿ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸೇಮ್. ಟು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಅದೇ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆದಲ್ಲ, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗಿವ್ ಅ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಟ್ ದ ಎಂಡ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ write. And don't forget to write the variable description, packages, class, and comments. At it, I hope paper easy barutte anta. And once again, all the best for your next exams. Our exam 10th is on 23 March 23, right? And for ICSE it is on 27. Okay, thank you, all the best.